Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T. On today's video I'll be doing an unboxing video. I've recently partnered up with Arccaptain to review some of their welding machines for them. And they sent me out their, I believe, MIG 135 welding machine. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. I will be doing a testing video first. That includes some wire. That's the stinger. This is a little strap. This is, what the heck is this? Oh, that's a little wire brush. That manual, ground clamp, and ground cable. Go ahead and open it up. If they were a little sooner reach out to me, I wouldn't have needed to buy another welder the last couple months. I did buy a Lincoln Electric 90i, I believe is what it is. It's about the same size, but we'll do a depth comparison on them. See if you can tell any difference between the Lincoln and the Arccaptain. I don't have any millers. I'm a Lincoln guy myself. So all I got is Lincoln. I got like, including my welding generator, I got like 4 Lincolns. So yeah. Go ahead and open it up. Very nice. Gonna get the machine all set up, and then we'll be ready to test later. Here's we go. Knew that was gonna happen. There are wires snipers over there. kind of fighting me. Go ahead and pull the wheel off. Here we go. Do that. Power the machine on. The Okay. Okay, machine's all set up for flex core. Of course, if you want to run oh, it's just a flex core machine. Some of these can be stick welding too, but this one's just flex core, I just realized. But anyways, machine set up, it's ready to go. Next video on this machine will be me welding with it. I got a couple projects I need to do, and then I'll probably do a comparison against the Lincoln 90i, and go from there. So, huge shout out to Arccaptain for sending this out. Look forward to working with them on the channel and my projects. And I'll put a link in the description to this welder and to the website. Go check them out. Go tell them N.R.T. sent ya. And I'll catch you on the next one. If I have any affiliation codes or discount codes, I'll put them in the description too for you guys. So, later.